Hello, another AQA A-level physics question on particles. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. Okay, so a deuterium nucleus and a tritium nucleus fuse together to produce a helium nucleus and a particle S. Deuterium and tritium are just names for isotopes of hydrogen with one neutron and two neutrons. What is particle X? Well, we're not losing any particles. No particles are changing to anything else here, so we just need to make sure that the number of protons and neutrons on the left equals the number of protons and neutrons on the right. So let's start counting them up. Number of protons from this hydrogen here, we can see that number at the bottom is the number of protons. So there's one in this one, and that's going to give me 2 protons in the helium, and we don't know from X at the moment. Neutrons, well, atomic mass is 2, so there must be 1 neutron in this deuterium. Atomic mass is 3, so there must be 2 neutrons. Helium has 2 neutrons, but we can see we've got 3 neutrons on the left and 2 neutrons on the right, so X needs to be a neutron. Answer is B. Nice easy question, that one. If you found this useful, click on the subscribe button please, share with your friends and watch more in the series. Thank you.